Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 125 cubic centimeters engine is probably one of the most versatile and popular choices for small-capacity motor enthusiasts, offering a perfect blend of performance, affordability, and ease of maintenance, making it an ideal option for both beginners and experienced riders seeking an economical and reliable engine for motorcycles, scooters, go-karts, ATVs or even small watercraft. In this video, we will explore the key features, benefits, and considerations to help you make an informed decision when choosing a 125 cubic centimeters engine. Number 5. 125cc 4-stroke engine kit. Introducing a powerful and reliable 125 cubic centimeters 4-stroke engine kit, perfect for upgrading your dirt bike. It's designed for a smooth and enjoyable ride, with features that enhance both performance and efficiency. This kit includes everything you need for installation: the engine itself, kickstarter, gear shift lever, carburetor, intake manifold, CDI, and gaskets. Everything is ready to go. It boasts a 125 cubic centimeters displacement, a 4-speed manual clutch transmission, and a PZ22 carburetor for optimal fuel efficiency and throttle response. It's air-cooled for reliable performance. This engine is compatible with a wide range of Honda models, including CRF50, CRF70, XR50, and many more. Always check compatibility with your specific model before purchasing. The manual clutch gives you precise control over gear changes, adapting to various terrains. The CDI ignition optimizes spark timing for enhanced fuel efficiency and a smooth ride. Upgrade your ride today with this high-performance engine kit. Enjoy increased power, better fuel efficiency, and a more engaging riding experience. What we like. It boasts a finely tuned carburetor for optimal fuel efficiency and smooth throttle response, and a manual clutch for precise gear changes. If you value precise control and a cost-effective engine with good fuel economy, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who enjoy customizing their riding experience and appreciate a classic feel. What people say. Mounted right up to this 2005 pitter. The bike feels more proper, can't wait to test it out, it feel like it has tons more compression. I've purchased the engine on May, got it on the 20th of May, been riding around in my Apollo RFC, swapped with this engine ever since. It's currently August 15th, and the bike still runs real strong, still idles good, starts up 1 to 2 kick with or without gas. I have an aftermarket 24mm carb on it, pops wheelies like it's nothing, definitely will be buying this engine again 100%. Replaced the motor on my daughter's Apollo 125. Was easy to install, had to splice some wires, simple, nothing too complicated, and it started on the first kick. Definitely recommend if you're in the market for a new motor. Edit ***, it did have the option of electric start. Not something we needed, but cool to see. Number 4. 125 cubic centimeters Engine ATV Motor Kit. This kit offers a powerful and reliable engine upgrade for your ATV or dirt bike. It's designed for high performance and easy installation. It boasts a high power output, high rated speed, and impressive torque, giving you an excellent riding experience. Enjoy superior performance on any terrain. The efficient heat dissipation structure and air cooling system prevent overheating, even during extended use. This ensures long-lasting engine life. With a large 30.43-ounce fuel tank, it provides extended operation time. Enjoy longer rides without frequent refueling. It features a high-performance carburetor for simple maintenance, reliability, and durability. It's cost-effective and easy to maintain. The CDI ignition system is cost-effective and reliable, ensuring consistent starts and performance. It's a great replacement for your old ignition system. The 4-speed manual clutch transmission offers precise gear shifting control, adapting easily to various road conditions. Experience a more exciting and controlled ride. This complete kit includes all necessary parts and is designed for easy assembly. You can have it installed in a short amount of time. What we like. This engine stands out with its impressive torque, ensuring powerful performance, and a large fuel tank for extended rides. If you need a powerful engine for long hours of operation and want reliable performance, this is a great option. It's ideal for riders who prioritize power and endurance. What people say. It runs perfectly. I have yet to have an issue with it. It idles and starts first kick every time. You can buy this engine and have no worry about it mechanically failing. I've purchased a second one and have had no problems with either one I received, and they have performed very well. Received the engine the first time to assemble the trial. Powerful, great starter, just the right size, no problems with use. Very nice, and the engine is very durable. Number 3. 125cc ATV Engine Kit. This powerful engine kit is perfect for upgrading your ATV, go-kart, or other off-road vehicle. It's easy to install and comes with everything you need. It boasts a 125cc, 4-stroke, single-cylinder engine with an electric starter for convenient operation. Enjoy its impressive power and reliability. This kit includes a 3 forward, neutral, and reverse gear system. It also features a 9:1 compression ratio and a maximum power output of 5.8 kilowatts at 7,500 RPM. The kit comes with clear wiring instructions and all necessary components, including the carburetor, air filter, and chain case. Installation is straightforward. It's compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including Atomic Pit Pro, TDR Orion's Moto, and many others. Everything you need is included for a hassle-free upgrade. We stand behind our product. If any part arrives damaged, we'll work with you to resolve the issue. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. It offers the convenience of electric starting and the practicality of a reverse gear, making it incredibly user-friendly. If you are looking for ease of use and versatility, this is the perfect choice. It's suitable for a wide range of applications, from ATVs to go-karts. Number 2. 125cc 4-stroke engine motor. This powerful 125cc, 4-stroke engine is perfect for your Honda CRF50, CRF70, XR50, XR70, and other mini trail bikes. It's a great way to upgrade your ride and enjoy enhanced performance. It boasts a compression ratio of 9.0:1, delivering a max power of 6.5 kilowatts and a max torque of 8.0 Newton meters. Experience the thrill of increased speed and power. With a rated power of 5.6 kilowatts at 7,500 RPM and an idle speed of 1,500 RPM, it offers optimal efficiency and smooth operation. Fuel consumption is also impressively low, at less than or equal to 367 g/kW/h. It's designed to fit seamlessly, following original factory parameters for a perfect match. Installation is straightforward, though professional installation is always recommended. The package includes the 125cc engine, kickstarter lever, gear shift lever, carburetor, intake manifold, CDI, and gaskets. Everything you need for a smooth installation. It's compatible with a wide range of Honda models, including CRF50, CRF70, XR50, XR70, Z50, Z50R, CT70, and many more. Check the compatibility list to ensure it's right for your bike. While installation is generally easy, an installation manual is not included. We strongly recommend seeking professional installation for optimal results and safety. What we like. This engine is designed for easy installation, saving you time and effort. It also features a manual clutch for precise control and an air-cooled design for reliable performance. If you prioritize ease of installation and a straightforward design, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who want a simple yet effective engine. What people say. The engine was perfect and had no problems putting it in. This is great replacement motor for the worn-out dirt bike. Easy to install and runs well. Number 1. X-Pro 125 cubic centimeters motorcycle engine. This powerful 125 cubic centimeters, 4-stroke engine is perfect for your motorcycle. It offers reliable performance and is easy to install. It's a 125 cubic centimeters, 4-stroke engine designed for boom 125 cubic centimeters motorcycles. Experience enhanced power and efficiency. Starting it is a breeze with the convenient electric start feature. No more struggling with kickstarts. Enjoy a smooth and responsive ride with the manual transmission. It gives you complete control over your motorcycle. Before purchasing, ensure it's compatible with your bike's plug-in. An adapter may be needed for certain models. It's designed for straightforward installation. However, professional installation is always recommended. Give your motorcycle a performance boost with this high-quality engine. It's built to last. What we like. This engine offers the convenience of electric starting combined with a manual transmission for precise control. It is specifically designed to fit certain 125 cubic centimeters motorcycles. If you need a direct replacement for your 125 cubic centimeters motorcycle and value the convenience of electric start, this is the right choice for you. It's perfect for those seeking a reliable and easy-to-use upgrade. What people say. If you're thinking of buying a pit bike motor or any motor, I would suggest buying one from X-Pro. These motors perform well. I have two of those and both have had no issues at all. Perfect replacement for the X-Pro X7 Boom Vader DB125-10. Started right up, runs good, and gets to a higher speed than the previous exact engine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.